Hello students, once again I am with you with a new topic. Chapter is same. This is the business study of class 11th and the topic is concept of business. I hope you have learned in the previous video what is the meaning of economic activities, what is the meaning of non-economic activities, and under the economic activities we have learned three things: business, profession and employment. So today we are going to discuss the concept of business in detail. Now, so first, what is the meaning of business? What is the meaning of business? Meaning of business. So, meaning of business refers to such type economic activities under which purchasing, producing and selling of goods and services for earning profit. We have learned it, we have write it. इसको लिख चुके हैं, पढ़ चुके हैं previous video में. So, business refers to such type economic activities under which purchasing, producing and selling of goods and services for earning the profit. व्यवसाय से आशय उन सभी आर्थिक क्रियाओं से है जिसमें हम वस्तुओं का क्रय करते हैं, विक्रय करते हैं, उत्पादन करते हैं और इन सब का उद्देश्य क्या होता है? सो फॉर दैट पर्पस बी देयर इज ओनली वन, दैट इज द प्रॉफिट, अर्निंग, लाभ कमाना. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट देयर इज अ गिवन definition of business. Definition of business. व्यवसाय की परिभाषा, there are different experts given different definition under the business sector, under such type of. So there is a first one, L.H. Heine. You can write the definition. L.H. Heine क्या कहा उन्होंने? Business may be defined, please note down, business may be defined, business may be defined as human activity, as human, business may be defined as human activity directed towards producing, or acquiring, directed towards producing or acquiring wealth, towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. So this is the definition given by the L.H. Heine. L.H. Heine was an expert who have given the definition of the business. Under his definition, there is some important keywords you can make, you can underline: human activity. Next, directed towards producing, acquiring wealth, producing and selling goods. Means इन्होंने भी वही चीज बताया, whatever we have learned under the meaning of business, under the definition of Mr. L.H. Heine, इन्होंने कहा business may be defined as human activities. किस तरीके का activities? Human activities. And when we are saying that human activities including all in the sense purchasing and selling of goods and services, doing job anywhere. But here when we are classified only the business term, so human activities refers to purchasing, selling and producing. देयर इज गिवन टर्म प्रोड्यूसिंग और एक्वायरिंग, पैदा करना या कहीं से पाना, कहीं से रिसीव करना, उत्पादन करना या कहीं से रिसीव करना, क्या वेल्थ, धन का अर्जन हम करते हैं, और किसके द्वारा, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स. इट मींस अंडर his definition there is a given focus that when we are starting, when we are conducting the business activities, certainly there will be different activities, and the most important and the main objective behind all the activities will be earn the profit. And when we are going to earn profit, certainly it will be possible by producing, buying and selling of goods. ये तभी संभव है हम वस्तुओं का उत्पादन करें, क्रय करें और विक्रय करें. सो अंडर दिस डेफिनेशन देयर इज अ फोकस अंडर थ्री टर्म प्रोड्यूसिंग, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स, एंड फॉर व्हाट, फॉर द वेल्थ, फॉर द अर्निंग प्रॉफिट. सो यू कैन नोट डाउन Mr. L.H. Hene, there is a given definition, very important definition under the subject of business study. Okay, so we have completed one thing, meaning of business in previous video. Today we have learned in oral way. Second, definition of business. Once again I am repeating, business may be defined as human activity directed toward producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. Is it clear? So please, we are going to next topic. Next topic is what are features or characteristics of business. So please note down. Third is features or characteristics of business. Characteristics of business. Okay, features or characteristics of business. So when we are going to discuss about the business, so it's very important to discuss the features or characteristics of business, because if we will learn what are main features, what are main characteristics of business, we will deeply understood what are basic, what are clear concept of the business. So please note down that your first heading given, an economic activity. An economic activity. Business is an economic activity. Why we are saying business an economic activity? Because when any activity we are performing under the sector of business, certainly there is a main motto, main objective should be earn profit. जब भी हम बिजनेस की बात करते हैं, so their hidden objective should be earn profit, appropriate profit, fair profit after purchasing and selling of goods and services. So when we are saying there is a economic activity, so economic activity we can say because under the business we are going to purchasing and selling of goods and services for earning the profit. When we are going to earn a profit, it means there is a economic activity. All activity should be behind the economic activity, behind the earning profit. Okay. Second, exchange of goods and services. Exchange of goods and services, it's very simple. अदला बदली करना. When we are going to conduct business activity, so certainly there should be exchange of goods and services. Suppose there is one example. Mr. Ram is purchasing a bike. Mr. Ram is purchasing a car, 4-wheeler, and he is using their car for their own facility, for their domestic use. राम ने कार खरीदा, 4-wheeler खरीदा, उसका इस्तेमाल वो अपने कार्य में कर रहा है, अपने डोमेस्टिक यूज में कर रहा है. So this is the not exchange process. But when Mr. Ram is purchasing four-wheeler and he is using their car in their business purpose, so certainly because of using their car in their business in the form of transportation, there something will be returned. So when in business area we are purchasing anything and we are using for earning the profit, so that term we will say there is a exchange. And when there is a exchange, certainly there is a possibility of earning profit. जब exchange होगा तो वहां पर लाभ कमाने की संभावनाएं बढ़ जाएंगी. So this is the second feature when we are starting the business. Certainly there is a exchange of goods and services. Okay, now come to the second is clear. So exchange of goods and services. Third, regularity in dealing. This is the third feature, regularity in dealing. Regularity in dealing, it means if we are going to start business at any place at any time, it should be in regular form. नियमित होना चाहिए. Suppose X is purchasing a motorcycle and after few days he is going to take the decision for sells their bike in the market. X ने एक बाइक खरीदा और उसको उन्होंने क्या किया, बेच दिया. Within 1 year X is doing their process, one time purchasing and one time selling. एक बार उन्होंने खरीदा और एक बार बेच दिया. So it is not regular basis, so we cannot include Mr. X process as a business. Under the business it should be regularity, again and again purchasing, and behalf of the after getting the profit he will start the selling. Means purchasing and selling, producing, purchasing and selling must be regular basis, must be day by day. If there is a no regularity, one time we are purchasing and one time we are selling, it's not business. Suppose any person purchasing anything from the market and their things are surplus because of their personal use. एक व्यक्ति अपने कुछ सामान को खरीदता है बाजार से और उसके पास कुछ ज्यादा सामान होता है तो अपने नेबर्स को, अपने पड़ोसी को बेच देता है. अब जो वो पर्सन ने बेचा उसके परचेज करने से लेकर के सेल करने तक के प्रोसेस को हम बिजनेस में इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग देयर प्रोसेस single time, so that single process we cannot include in the business. Because business there is a one element, regularity is must. If there is no regularity we cannot say any process is a business process. व्यवसाय में कोई भी क्रिया अगर लगातार होती है तभी उसको हम कह सकते हैं कि वो क्या है, व्यवसाय है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ, प्रॉफिट मोटिव. Next is profit motive. It's very important. Under the meaning of business, we have learned that when we are going to conduct business, certainly there is a main motive to earn the profit. If we are, suppose A is purchasing goods and sold to Mr. B rupees 10. rupees 10. A ने एक सामान खरीदा, उसे 10 रुपए में B को सेल कर दिया. Purchasing rate is also 10 and selling price is also 10. So without taking profit, if A is selling their goods to Mr. B, so there is a regularity. Suppose there is a regularity, there is a purchasing and selling, but there is no profit motive, so it cannot be included under the business. It will be included in non-economic activity. We are giving the charity, we are giving the service to the Mr. B. It means it is not business. Always under the business there should be motive, profit, always. One thing very important, a businessman always preparing their policy for earning the profit, but sometimes there is a possibility of loss also. So we cannot say this is the not business. In business there is a maximum motive should be earning the profit, but because of the market fluctuation there are some possibility of loss also, but maximum their motive should be the profit earning, their profit motive. Okay, so next fifth point, fourth. Now please note down fifth features. First, you have completed an economic activity. Second, we have completed exchange of goods and services. Third, profit deal regularity in dealing. Fourth, profit motive. Is it clear? Now please note down fifth point. Next, elements of risk. Next point given there, elements of risk. Under the business there are elements of risk. Why we are saying? Because business totally depend upon future. If there is a no possibility, what will happen tomorrow? If there is no certainty, what will happen tomorrow? So there is a risk. So business depend upon future forecasting. What will happen tomorrow? It's uncertain. कल क्या होगा यह निश्चित है, और हमारा व्यवसाय किस पर है? कल पर डिपेंड है. When our future is uncertain, so there is a possibility of risk. So under the business there is one important element, that is a element of risk. So there is one question you can raise, why there is a element of risk, why the person adopting the activity of business? Because if there is a person is ready for taking the risk, certainly there are more and more possibility of earning the profit. यदि व्यक्ति ज्यादा ज्यादा जोखिम उठाने के लिए तैयार है तो वहां पर लाभ की संभावनाएं बढ़ती जाती हैं. So element of risk in business study, there is a one chapter business risk you will learn, because there is a total all the action in the business area related to the risk. If the person is ready, if the person is happily accepted opportunities related to risk, the person will earn the profit day by day. So this is the one important features of the business. Under the business there is a one important element, that is the risk. Next is creation of utility. Creation of utility. Under the creation of utility there is a three term: form, time and place. Is it clear? Form, place and time. Creation of utility means when a businessman started a business at any place, certainly there must be a one element, one feature, that is creation of utility. For example, suppose we have producing goods and services for any place, for any market, but whatever there is a demand in the market, we have no size, we have no variety, we have no color. हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट तो है, बट वॉट एवर डिमांड फ्रॉम द कस्टमर साइड, वी हैव नो साइज, वी हैव नो वैरायटी, वी हैव नो कलर. इज इट क्लियर? सो फॉर्म, वन थिंग इज फॉर्म, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. सेकेंड प्लेस, वी हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, बट at a particular place where there is a particular demand, where there is a real demand in the market, we are not able to send our product. And third, time. There is a particular time, there is a certain time, there is an appropriate time in the market. So if all things are not included with our economic activity under the business, so we will not success to sold our goods and services in the market. Because if there is no size, variety, color, shape, design, etc. of the product, whatever there is a demand in the market, certainly the customer will not ready to start our demand. Second, if we are not sending our product appropriate place, certainly there is a no demand. Third, if we are sending, suppose any product, their demand is January 2020, but we are sending our product in March 2020, it means we have delay 3 months, we are late 3 months. So our product will be useless for the customer. Certainly what will happen, we cannot create the utility for the customer. उपभोक्ताओं के लिए उपयोगिता बनाओ, उपभोक्ताओं के लिए उपयोगी बनाना. And when it is usable for the customer, when we are launching our product in the particular place, in the particular market, according their demand. Under the demand there will be size, color, design, shape, etc. There is a particular place, nearest place, and third there will be appropriate time, and last is customer satisfaction. This is the last feature given under the subject of the business, customer satisfaction. It's very important. Last features I have written here. Please understand clearly. Suppose you are businessman. Mr. Ram is a businessman and Ram is a shopkeeper at a place. Ram is a businessman and Ram is a shopkeeper at a place. There is a demanded more and more product, बहुत ज्यादा बिक्री हो रही, but there is a no growth and expansion of their business. एक प्लेस पर मिस्टर राम ने एक बिजनेस एस्टेब्लिश किया, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने बिजनेस की सेलिंग तो की, वहां पर स्कोप भी है, लेकिन राम के ए प्लेस पर वहां पर किसी भी तरीके का एक्सपेंशन ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है. अब what is the reason? The reason, ultimate reason, it means their customer, their consumer will be not satisfied. इसका मतलब उनके ग्राहक संतुष्ट नहीं होंगे, and because